Yeah, you gotta do it now. You gotta do it. Stop being scared. Yeah, don't stop being scared. I'm not scared. All right, I dare you to dance. Alright, I dare you to do it. You gotta do it. I'm gonna do it right here. You do it. What's up, BG family? You know what I'm saying? You get it? We playing in the snow like we still in middle school. Yeah, boy. Yay! See, this is when the kid in me comes out. Let's make an angel, bro. Huh? Let's make an angel. Stop talking stuff, bro.
You're a kid every day.
Look, exactly. I gotta have fun, man. I'm not ready to grow up yet. That's the problem. Stop, bro, please. Shit. Dude, that's fucked up.
All we have to do is in the sidewalk. We don't even have to do all that. I mean, you probably got to keep my car out there.
No, he doesn't drive that.
What? The Lincoln?
Yeah.
That's our Lincoln?
It been fucked up in here. I have somebody that will fix the car. Do you know what's wrong with it?
What?
Your car. No, that car. Your car.
Oh, my car?
Yeah. Yeah, he works for O'Reilly. He said he's gonna give me a discount on the car.
Yeah, I'll see. I don't know. It's for a long time.
Bro, she got me fucked up. I need my bag. She asked me for my champion bag to go to Destiny's house. She came back, I was like, yeah. I told her, do not leave with my backpack. She took it with her. That's why you can never help a black person. Left my backpack, yo. Snowball fight, right? Huh?
I'll pick up one of these big ass fucking snow blocks and drop it on your head.
Respect yourself, bro. Oh shit!
Use this shit to hide. Come on, let these snowballs rain on you.
Alright, man. Bro, come on, the garage. You cheating, you can't use. You're supposed to be sitting it that way. Somebody's calling you, bro. I don't know.
Yeah.
All right. I'm sorry about that now. This is the challenge, you know what I'm saying? Laying in the snow for tune in. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah. What happened in your hand? Ah, shit! Ah, shit! Bro, I just shoveled this place. You're the only one that put the ice thing on your head. In your pocket.
I put him on. I put him on like this.
Oh. No, I'm good. You did a decent job. Now let's go back inside.
Well, we just gotta look. You made this big ass pile right here. Why did you do that? Huh?
Do it like I do it. Just
Why did you make this big ass pile?
I did not. Always gotta blame the black man. Hey, bro, can you help me get a thumbnail? A thumbnail. This going on YouTube. I'm gonna be like throwing my brother in the snow prank. Huh? A thumbnail is when you like lay on the snow and make it believable.
Oh.
Don't do it, bro, please. I'm already cold. I just got the job. I do not want to lose it because I'm sick. My phone is like frozen. You want to do it, bro? Yeah. Wait. Let me stop the video first.
You just can't come to this side of the yard?
If you do, I'm gonna call the police.
I see. I told you I'll stop talking to you right now. I told you.
Who that is? That's another crackhead girl.
I don't know. But it's glad to see that I'm glad to see that you're back.
And safe.
I bet your family's excited. For what? Alright, come on.
It's your turn.
I'm not doing this shit no more.
Bro, you can't do that. Okay, you too, kid.
Stay home.
Make sure you don't leave anymore. Your mama needs you. Thank you, I know. Come on, kid.
No, do this. Come on, you got the sidewalk left, bro.
All right, bro. Let's play truth or dare in the snow. Hey, let's play truth or dare in the snow.
No.
You go first.
I'm about to take Jazz home. You about to be out.
No, bro, no, hell no. Hell no, bro. Come on. Just help me, bro.
I did help you.
You all full of stuff.
Imagine how long you'd have been here.
Nigga, no, bro. Devontae, come on, bro.
You'd have been like right here.
Bro, come on, bro. Don't let me do this by myself.
I'm be here. You better settle for it.